period-proof underwear. Wouldn't they feel weird? I want to put them on and wear them throughout the day. Not everything is good, but not everything is bad. My Lilovas. Here is what they look like. Let's get on with the day. Hi everybody, I'm Anita and welcome back to my channel. So today, we are going to review period-proof underwear. I have never tried such thing. I had heard of it, but I hadn't tried. So I got two pairs. I got mine from Lilova.com. If you're here for just a discount, then I have a discount code for you. That's Anita Sibul, and you get 20% off, which is quite good. So you can use that on the website. They ship worldwide, so wherever you are, you can order them. And they came in quite quickly, although I live in Estonia and everything takes a little bit more time. I think they still came in like 1-2 weeks, which is good for Estonia. So if you live in the States, they sure will come quicker. Here they are. Period-proof underwear. Now I haven't even tried them on. I just got the package. So here we are. So first of all, they have 4 different styles of underwear on their website. I got Mia Hipster in size small and Mia Bikini in extra small. Let's just open. So this is Mia Bikini in extra small. It's definitely my size. It's just a little bit like a lot of material, like really covering. But that's the back. That's the front. I haven't worn them, haven't even tried them on, so nothing weird here. I like they're cute. Okay, so the inside is the most interesting thing for me because how can it really be period-proof, you know? I'm gonna show you up close. If this video is too much information for you, then ladies, I am just trying to help you out and I'm interested myself to try these like different inventions out. So here it is. It's like, it's not squishy, but you can feel there is like something in there. It's like double material or something else between the 2 layers. It doesn't feel like something that would be uncomfortable, which is the most important. And honestly, it feels like it's the whole way until up here, this like thicker material. So it's like all the way, so that's good. I feel like this will make me feel secure, you know? Other one is called Mia Hipster, so, you know, just like a regular hipster style, I guess. That's the back, that's the front. Inside is exactly the same. I'm just reading off my phone so I get all the facts correct. So the Mia Hipster holds up to 2 tampons worth. And the Mia Bikini I can't find on the website anymore, but I think it was the same. I think that's why I chose them, because those hold the most, so I don't have to change my underwear so much. Of course, it depends how big of a flow you have, you know. But my flow, again, maybe too much information, but my flow is not too heavy. So I feel like 2 tampons worth will really get me at least half a day for sure. But for example, they even have a thong version, like a thong underwear on their website, but that holds only half a tampon. So pretty much, these are the underwear. I want to put them on and wear them throughout the day. My plan for the wear this is to work a little bit, then I have some packages to send and go to a grocery store or either go to a restaurant, you know, just go eat somewhere, and then to go to gym. So everything sounds good until the word gym. As I have my period, I'm not gonna do a really heavy workout, just something a little bit easier, but still, you know, you're moving around, you're doing the most that you can do, really. So I think this is the ultimate test for these. First, that it can hold up all the blood, but second, that it also stays in place so the blood doesn't, you know, slip anywhere. Yeah, it's gonna be really interesting, hopefully not embarrassing, but I'm up for the adventure. So here is the Mia Hipster style on, and honestly, this is so freaking comfortable. Like, wow, I feel so secure and the size is correct. The material is really nice as well. It's stretchy, but it's like cinching you in a little bit, so I feel really, really secure. Of course, it's not sexy. I guess if you like want to go out and want to wear the period-proof underwear then I think the thong version would be perfect, or they also have a cheeky version. Let's get on with the day. Okay, update. So I've been wearing these panties for a few hours. I've been to the toilet once and it was literally nothing weird. Okay, weird thing is I don't know where it goes, like where does it go, but the panties feel oddly comfortable. Well, I'm the person who is used to wearing pads. I don't really wear tampons, so maybe if you wear tampons all the time, you feel like a little bit something, but I would say I feel less than I feel with a pad. Yeah, that's the first good thing. And the first problem is that now that I'm going out, like, how many panties should I take with me? Should I take extra pads with me? These little things I have to figure out. But another plus I was thinking about is the environmental thing. Like, you don't need to buy that many pads at all, and that's such a good thing. And like, less seeing for others, you know, others can't see anything. So for teenagers, I think it's really, really nice. As you can see already, I have my sports bra on, so that means we are going to gym. And okay, so this is my first time using the period-proof panties right now. I feel like the panties physically could not move around more than the pads could, so that's really nice. Yeah, first experience, really good. Lashes for such a long time, and I literally look like, I also straightened my hair and now I look like 12, like literally. Anyways, so my experience so far has been really, really good. The panties really are really comfortable, and I think that was my main concern, like, wouldn't they feel weird? You know, if they feel weird, you don't really want to wear them, so that's not the case. They are comfortable. I think one of the main questions for me, first I was like, oh yeah, that's so cool, but then I thought like, well, but what I'm gonna do when I wear them? Like, how do I wash them? How do I keep them like fresh and stuff? So actually you don't have to worry, because in my package I got this, I guess everybody gets it for sure, this little note where they actually tell you how to wash it, how to take care of it. So I'm gonna read this, how to care for your Lilova. First, rinse immediately after use in cool water until it runs clean. Do not soak. Second, machine wash now or later, separately or with your laundry on cold cycle without using fabric softener or harsh detergents. And lastly, hang dry, reuse and repeat. So it's actually just like washing your regular panties, which is really, really nice. Like, I hate when something just takes so much more energy that it doesn't really make sense in the end, you know? And I also wanted to talk about what the panties actually are made of. So the inner part is 95% cotton and 5% elastan. Middle part is breathable BUL and 95% cotton, 5% elastan, same as the inner. And the outer part is 75% nylon and 25% elastan. As you can see, it's actually really nice and really like quality panties. That's really nice, because in the end, like, I've been that girl who wants like so much things, like the more the merrier. But at the end, if the things are like bad quality, then what are you gonna do with them? That's why I used to have a wardrobe when I'm looking into the wardrobe and I don't want to wear anything, and I feel like I don't have anything to wear because none of the things are really like actually really nice, you know? So I find that the price, everything is really, really understandable, acceptable, not pricey at all. And don't forget, with my code Anita Sibul you can get 20% off, which is quite a good chance. So have the links, everything down below. So in conclusion, I wanted to bring out some of the pluses and some of the minuses about these panties, because not everything is good, but not everything is bad. So I think the first plus, which is a really, really big plus, is the environmental side of it. Just imagine, like, every woman on earth every month has to buy pads, tampons, whatever else they're using, and it's just one use, you know, you can't use it twice. So it actually makes a lot of waste. But these panties, they kind of save the environment, so that's really, really good side. And the other side is that if you're a person like me who used to wear pads, then these panties are actually more comfortable than pads. And I also felt more secure because panties, when they are really your right size, they don't move around so much, but the pads is like attached to the panties, so it can move around a little bit more. And another plus, what they actually have mentioned here in this little note as well, is that Lilova is also great for occasional spotting, postpartum bleeding, regular discharge, incontinence, and sweat. So, you know, after your period, if you have anything, then you can just use these as well, and you don't have to use any other types of products. So that's really nice. Again, but I think it goes more under the environmental thing as well. But the minuses. If you really want to wear only the panties, then you have to have like several of them. You can't just have one panty, right? And the other one is that how to change them. You know, if you're just at home or at your friend's place, wherever, where it's like easy to change, you can just take your clothes off, then it's easy. And if you're wearing a skirt, dress, something, then it's also easy. But if you're wearing pants, for example, then you also have to take your pants off. So it makes it a little bit more like a little more time consuming, a little bit more maybe not so comfortable, but I think the pluses really are worth it. So right now I just changed to the other pair of my Lilovas, and here is what they look like. You know, you can literally tell in any kind of way that they're like some kind of special panties, and I really like the material. They're double layered, so everything is covered. So yeah, that's it for the video. I really hope that I covered everything that I had in my mind, like what questions popped up and everything. But if not, if there's something you didn't understand, some questions popped up in your mind, please leave them in the comments and I will be so happy to answer them. And also please subscribe to my channel and check out my Instagram. I say it in every video, but I really love Instagram. That's just how it is. So that's it for today's video, and I really hope to see you in my next one. Bye bye.